Hi Josephine, how are you feeling today?
I'm okay. A little anxious.
So I have a little activity in mind that might make you feel calm. So this is a cooking activity. It's very easy to do. It's just a few ingredients. We're going to take some coconut cream, and we're going to take some cocoa powder and some powdered sugar and some vanilla and salt. We're going to combine it and make a mousse. Will you help me?
Sure.
Good. So here we have the coconut cream. This is 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Go ahead and put that in there. And now this is 2.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Okay, I already put a teaspoon of vanilla and a dash of salt. Now all we have to do is put the rest of the coconut cream into the bowl. The coconut cream separates from the water if you chill it, and it comes out. This is the meat of the coconut. And now all we have to do is mix it. And that's the finished product. Do you want to try it? Go ahead, try it. Is that good?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Was that fun?
Yes.
Was it easy?
Yes.
Would you do it yourself?
Yeah.
So you can put this in the fridge and it will stiffen up a little bit. And this one was in the freezer. You can put it in the freezer too. Try that one. Is that good too?
Mm-hmm.
So it's like ice cream, right?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much.